In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off shipping on Shopify. This is useful if you're selling digital products, services, or items that don't require physical delivery. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, select Shipping and Delivery. This section controls all shipping settings for your store. If you want to stop shipping for specific products, go to Products, select the product and uncheck. This is a physical product in the shipping section. This removes shipping requirements for that item. If you want to disable shipping rates entirely, go back to Shipping and Delivery, open your shipping profile and remove the shipping zones or shipping rates you no longer want to offer. After making your changes, click Save to apply the updates. That's it. Shipping has now been turned off or adjusted according to your business needs. Thanks for watching.